Custom 3D printing is made using a digital technology material printer. It is often used in the mold manufacturing industry to make models, and it has gradually been used to directly manufacture some products. And there are already components printed using this technology. Custom 3D printing is widely used in various fields, but it cannot manufacture prototypes. 3D printing technology is mainly suitable for the manufacture of single pieces and small batches of product samples, which is conducive to the introduction of new products. The manufacture of parts with diverse or complex shapes, mold technology and design, product design, short-term manufacturing and replication processing, as well as process evaluation and assembly inspection for 3D printing are also suitable for printing materials that are not easily processed. This technology plays a very important role as it is the most common molding method, because 3D printing technology is not only widely used in manufacturing, but also has a wide range of applications in aerospace, electronics, culture and art, architecture and other fields. Custom 3D printing is widely used to manufacture products with high variety, small batches, and short molding times. Custom 3D printing technology is driven directly by the digital model and stacked using specified materials. It does not require the help of other molds, effectively reduces product development and trial production time, saves mold materials, and also brings significant time benefits. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription and consultation to get more industry information.